The notion of I'm a born sinner, a belief in Christian religions that links human suffering, guilt, and unhappiness to a sin nature passed down by our ancestors, is anti-human. It's tied to feelings of guilt and insecurity where we may believe we're being punished for our actions. If you've ever felt this way, the root of these emotions can be traced back to the idea of original sin. Even if you don't practice any organized religion, as this deep-seated belief can wrap itself around your psyche, it's essential to examine these beliefs and become aware of how old religious doctrines can still impact your daily life. Don't let the burden of guilt and insecurity hold you back from achieving your highest potential. Take the time to understand how original sin may be playing a role in your emotions and empower yourself to break free from its grips. You are gods and goddesses in training. You were never sinners.